Hangzhou Taoxing Printing Machinery Company Limited is a professional supplier of printing equipment and packaging equipment. We were established in 2008 and have a team with experienced sales and the good after-sales service. We have our own factory in Haining, Zhejiang, where we manufacture full series of high-quality screen printing machines, pad printers, pre-press equipment, post-press, and related auxiliary equipment. All the machines are manufactured with strict quality control system and have the CE certificate. We have more than 30 patented technologies. It was recognized as a high-tech enterprise by government in 2016. Meantime, we work with high-quality factories in China and integrate high-quality resources to provide customers with one-stop solutions for the home appliance glass industry, garment printing, packaging industry, advertising industry, digital printing, and plastic products industry. Our products not only have a large domestic market but are also exported to the United States, Germany, Italy, France, Turkey, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Peru, Brazil, Sweden, India, the Philippines, Thailand, and Indonesia, etc. We can use English, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, and Arabic for customers from different countries, providing product development, manufacturing, installation, logistics, customs clearance, and other one-stop services. Adhering to the concepts of technological innovation and customer first, as the creator, promoter, and explorer of unknown fields of printing machinery, we will continue to increase product variety, improve product quality, and our service level. We look forward to working with you for a win-win situation.